do you feel about Australia's renewable energy transition?
I don't think it's going fast enough.
A bit behind the eight ball. You look at what's happening internationally, I think Australia definitely needs to get with the times a bit.
I think that my main concern is the focus that the government still have on all the carbon and all the non-renewable sources of energy and the harm on the environment.
The current transition to renewables could be better by, I think, expanding it, including nuclear.
And what concerns you about that, the transition to renewable energy?
Just the cost mainly that we've got to outlay, and our bills seem to be going up. Everything seems to be made overseas and we're buying it.
There needs to be a good balance between personal versus corporations. People transitioning in a home is one thing, but I think also there needs to be a lot of pressure on larger corporations because what they're producing is such a huge scale.
Have you thought about switching away from gas at home?
Not really.
Are you aware that gas is a fossil fuel at all?
Yes, however, I'm more comfortable with using gas for gas stoves for cooking.
Have you thought about changing your gas appliances over to electric?
I'm being a bit negative, but we got a swimming pool spa that's gas heated.
And do you use gas here at all?
No gas, just purely electric. The business didn't have gas when I took the lease. I looked at getting gas installed, but the cost to get gas from the street was around $5,000 to $6,000. We're not going to spend that.
I have one, which is hot water, which I recently changed to, regrettably, because since then I've transitioned to solar energy and have changed the rest of my appliances to electric.
And why did you choose to change to a gas appliance?
It was a mistake on my part. I should have been a little bit more forward thinking.
I'm a renter, so I don't have much of a choice.
I would probably use electric if I had enough money to have my own home. Yeah.
It will take me a while to get around to it.
I think it would be good to know like the overall impact that would have on emissions, like if there was some sort of like quantified information that was provided. So it was like if you and this many people transition from gas to electricity, like this would be the impact on carbon emissions.